I've been a video artist as well as an interactive participatory media artist for 35 years. And when the call went out for Art Beyond, and I just knew how inspired it was, I think so many of us said, yes, why isn't there more outdoor public art? We could be a destination for this kind of thing. Ashland's so beautiful. Having to put together a video installation about a time when I was young, but that stretches to the present.
In the town where I was born,
I found myself churning up memories, which of course contributed to the art. For instance, I didn't remember until putting together Freedom Submarine that my very first kiss was in the AV Club room on a media cart. I was actually sitting next to Alicia Knowles. Hi, Alicia. On a media cart when she invited me to kiss her, and boy, did that bring back some ideas and some emotions that all went into creating the video and the environment for this piece.
And tickled chin and cheek.
By the way, until the first week of July, folks can leave a message on the Freedom Submarine answering machine. 541-552-8146. Leave a voicemail on the Freedom Submarine answering machine. And I'll take the audio and I'll mix it in to a new installation that'll bloom around the time the mimosa flowers are blooming on July 5th. I'm going to do it the day after the 4th of July. And for the last 2 weeks, until July 18th, when it's all supposed to wind down, people who indicate it's okay for me to share their stories will be remixed into a new version of Freedom Submarine. And there's even a template if you do the Art Beyond website info. It's sort of like Mad Libs. If you want to use it, you can. You can write your own or tell your own story from scratch. But I've got a prompt, like a writing teacher should, that gives you a sense of how to get it started if you need it. My name is Bobby Arellano, and I am the artist of Freedom Submarine for Art Beyond 2021.